Not everyone who wants to own a car can pay for one in full. So a car loan is a very important credit line. The general eligibility criteria for availing a car loan includes a minimum age of 21 years, a specified minimum monthly salary, and a good credit history. As with any loan, while a good credit score in the range of 700 to 800 is definitely ideal, a comparatively low credit score, such as 650 or below, does not automatically make you ineligible for a car loan, as the loan is secured against ownership of the car, meaning there is less risk for the lender. Your credit score affects your car loan in the following ways. Approval. Lenders decide whether you are a trustworthy borrower based on your repayment behavior in the past. Interest rate. While approval is still possible with a comparatively low score, this could mean a higher interest rate so that the banks can balance out the risk. Loan amount. A good score can avail you zero down payment, that is 100% financing for your vehicle, while a low credit score may only allow partial financing.
Need to keep an eye on your credit score on a regular basis? Well, all you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. We provide free access to your credit score, your detailed credit report, and personalized advice on how your credit can be improved. Moreover, checking your credit score with MyMoneyKarma is a soft inquiry, meaning it does not have any impact on your credit score. You can get started right away by following the link below.